Why is my oven making a buzzing noise?
It is the only thing in the house that remembers that you were baking something.
I know what the buzzer when food is done sounds like, and this is not it.
Did you leave the door open and is reminding you to close it?
My fridge beeps when I leave the door open, but the oven has never cared.
If the oven's timer is going off because it is malfunctioning, the oven could be buzzing.
When it is not running.
If the control panel is malfunctioning, it may think it is done.
I just wish it was done buzzing. And unlike my alarm clock, there is no obvious snooze button.
Turn it off.
I do not know how.
Turn off the oven via the power breaker, wait a couple minutes for the power to dissipate from the control board, then flip the breaker to restore it.
That's like hard rebooting a gaming console.
It is the same thing, since most ovens do not have a clear off button, and like a gaming console, it could reset the control board and fix the error.
At least it stops the buzzing until the next time it has a malfunction.
If the unit is buzzing intermittently, I wonder if there is a circuit problem.
If I've got a circuit problem big enough to be heard, I need to turn it off before the fire alarm goes off.
If the fan in the oven that circulates warm air for an even bake, the buzzing could occur when the fan motor is burned out.
That might explain why the food is burning.
The buzzing could be due to something stuck in the vent that vents the hot air, if the oven has an exhaust.
That's a fire hazard in its own right.
Your oven could be buzzing while you're cooking a chicken. It could be because a bird's nest fell through the exhaust cover and into the vent.
I hope it is just a fan motor burned out.
You could have something loose in the fan itself, rubbing against the fan blades as it tries to circulate the air.
Or it could be a heating element malfunctioning.
You'll see it spark or go dark when it burns out before you'll hear it buzz like an old-fashioned light bulb.
Or I need to have it checked out by a serviceman to make sure I do not have to worry about a roaring fire in the oven, instead of the fireplace.